Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Venkatesh Fluent Hub. Today I want to talk about simple thing that can change your life. That is positive thinking. Our thoughts shapes our actions shapes our future. So the way you think actually decides the way you live. Every day we face problems, stress, failure, challenges. But here is the difference. Positive thinker sees opportunity in every difficulty, while a negative thinker sees difficulty in every opportunity. For example, if you fail in an exam or interview, negative thinking will tell you, I am not good enough. But positive thinking will tell you, I will try again and next time I will do better. That mindset is what separates successful people from the rest. Positive thinking also improves your health. Studies show that people with a positive attitude are less stressed and live longer. It gives you energy, motivation, and confidence to face challenges. And the best part is, positive thinking is a habit you can build. Start by using positive words daily, writing down three things you are grateful for, and surrounding yourself with positive people. Slowly, your brain will learn to focus on solutions instead of problems. So, friends, remember positivity is not about ignoring problems, it's about face them with hope and confidence. So, train your mind to think positive and you will see your life change. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more inspiring content. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.